Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Chitwan Vinayak and you are watching The Print Pre-Truth. Here's something many Congress leaders are whispering into one another's ears but can't say in public. And that is, Party Chief Mallikarjun Kharge's remarks on pre-poll guarantees may have hurt the party in Maharashtra. Speaking at a party meeting in Bengaluru on 31st of October, Kharge took a dig at Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar for his remarks about a possible review of the party's free bus travel for women scheme. Kharge said Shivkumar's remarks created doubts in the minds of voters in then poll-bound Maharashtra. He also said he advised Maharashtra Congress leaders not to make so many promises which, if made without considering the budget, could lead to bankruptcy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP leaders had latched on the Kharge's remarks to accuse the Congress of making false promises. The Congress president's remarks ended up discrediting Maha Vikas Aghadi's 5 guarantees, including free bus ride for women, say party leaders from Maharashtra. Meanwhile, their counterparts in Karnataka are curious about the timing of Kharge's jibe at Shivkumar, given speculation about a succession plan if case of alleged corruption against CM Siddaramaiah takes a serious turn. Kharge's son, Priyank, is a minister in the Congress government in Karnataka. Now let us talk about Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav and his stay in Ranchi. It isn't just administrative machinery that goes into overdrive each time VIPs descend on Ranchi. Maa Tara Mistana Bhandar, a popular sweet shop and confectionery store in Jharkhand capital, has also to put its best foot forward to satiate the sweet tooth of its high-profile clientele. The last few days were particularly hectic for the legacy establishment as top politicians from across the country gathered in Ranchi for the swearing-in of CM Hemant Soren after the JMM-led alliance's stellar showing in the assembly election. Among the leaders in Ranchi for the ceremony was Samajwadi Party chief and former UP CM Akhilesh Yadav, whose personal aide is learned to have dialed Maa Tara Mistana Bhandar in advance to place an order for his favourite item on the menu, Nolan Gurer Kanchagola. The sweet, made using jaggery prepared from date palm and cottage cheese, is also a favourite of President Draupadi Murmu. Next is the Renaissance man Vivek Tankha. Senior advocate and Congress Rajya Sabha MP Vivek Tankha will also join the club of public figures whose lives have inspired films or documentaries. A documentary showing Tankha's legal career and contributions to social and administrative reform will be screened at his residence in Delhi for friends and colleagues in few days. The opening sequence, it is learned, revolves around the life and judgments of the Congress MP's late father, former Madhya Pradesh SC Judge Justice R.K. Tankha. For the title of the documentary, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor suggested Renaissance Man, and it was an immediate hit. Now moving next on to Karnataka sink or swim test. 40 years after the then Karnataka CM R. Gundu Rao inaugurated an indoor swimming pool in Bengaluru's Sadashiv Nagar by taking a dip in full media glare, Revenue Minister Krishna Gowda tried to recreate the iconic moment during the inauguration of a swimming pool in Kempapura. Now, it is often customary for the dignitary invited to inaugurate a hotel, sports complex or any other activity-based establishment to try the food or the turf. But while politicians trying their hand at cricket may gain traction online, jumping into a pool may not always pan out as planned. Former CM R. Gundu Rao's son, Dinesh Gundu Rao, Minister of Health and Family Welfare in the state government, had also tried to recreate the iconic moment in July, but instead invited criticism for enjoying a swim in a clean pool while the city was witnessing a spike in vector-borne diseases. Dinesh Gundu Rao's predecessor, K. Sudhakar, too had come under fire in April 2022. After a picture surfaced of the BJP leader and his family spending time in a swimming pool at the peak of COVID-19 restrictions.